If you haven't seen or used generative fill before, watch this short video and you know more. Watch how we change this image to a totally new version in just few easy steps. Generative fill is an impressive feature that offers a time-saving solution. Let's give it a try using Adobe's Firefly. Simply upload or drag your image file and begin the editing process. Let's start by removing the background. Select the Remove option on the left side and then click on Background at the bottom. Almost instantly, the background will disappear. Now that the background has been eliminated, we can proceed to replace it with something different. On the left side, click on Insert, and notice how a new text field appears at the bottom. In this field, describe the kind of background you would like to use and click on Generate. Now there are 3 slightly varied versions of the new background that you described. You have the flexibility to choose any of these versions and continue with your editing process. You can also click on More to access 3 additional versions. You can now start editing your image with this background or change it to something completely different. Just click on Cancel to clear the current versions and then enter your new description in the text field. This will generate 3 new images with fresh versions of the background for you to choose from. If you are unsatisfied with the images provided, simply click on More, and you will be presented with 3 additional images. You can repeat this process as many times as necessary until you are satisfied with the results. Experimenting with different descriptions and utilizing more detailed prompts will provide you with a greater understanding of what works best. Once you are content with any version of the image, you have the option to share or download it, or continue editing it further. Let's try a different cool and easy trick. The woman wearing a pink headband is holding a glass of red wine. We can easily transform it into white wine. Simply erase the red wine using the brush tool. When the red wine has been removed, click on the Insert button and notice the text field at the bottom. Now type white wine in the text box. Click Generate and wait for a while when the new versions of the glass are being created based on your prompt. Once ready, you will see 3 new versions of the wine glass, now with white wine inside. You can select one of them or, if you are not happy with the results, click on More for additional options. All the new versions of the glass seem to be quite nice, but the image in the middle appears to be the best of the 3, so let's keep that one and continue editing. As the new version of the wine glass is updated to the image, notice how natural and real it looks in her hand. Let's switch things up and focus on the woman on the left. Instead of red wine, she now has a glass of white wine. To make this change, select the Remove option and use the brush tool to erase the white wine from the glass. After that, click on Insert, and enter the words red wine into the text box. Click on Generate and wait for a while as the software creates the new versions of the wine glass. After some magical moments, you will be presented with 3 different versions of the glass, each now containing red wine. If you are pleased with the images, feel free to choose any of these options. If you feel that you need more or better options, just click on More for additional images. Let's add another one for amusement's sake. One of the individuals in the photograph is not displaying as wide of a smile as the others, so let's rectify that. Click on the Insert button and delete the area surrounding the woman's mouth. Next, type in the text box the type of smile you would like to see on her face. Once you've completed that, click on Generate, and patiently wait for the software to perform its magic. It is quite common to not achieve the desired results on the initial attempt. If that occurs, simply continue clicking on More to obtain additional versions until you are satisfied with the outcome. This time, we have obtained a very pleasing smile on our second attempt, so let's stick with that one. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.